So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I will teach you how to create new style of typography effect with using echo effect. So firstly guys, I'm going to create a new composition, and composition name anything guys, duration 20 seconds is good, so press OK. Yeah. So next one, I use simple text tool and type your letter. I type like motion and alignment. So click on here and like this. Yeah. Okay, so guys, next one, that's my center pivot. Go to mid. The shortcut command is Control Alt and press home button. Yeah. So guys, go to up and duplicate this text. So press Control D and go to down like this. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, rename. This time I take like design, simple, and again alignment. Yeah. And center pivot made. Yeah, see guys, that's my simple effect, right? So guys, you can also change this one pattern. That's my effect like this, and I like this one. That's my stroke effect. Okay, so guys, now I create position animation. So select this motion and press P letter, position check, and I go to like 5 seconds. So this one, position change, go to up like this. Yeah, right, simple. So go to back and play. Okay, so now guys, I change keyframe. So first one, go to here and go to 5 seconds. Yeah, and guys, select this keyframe and press F9. So go to back and play. Yeah, see guys, that simple effect, right? Okay, so guys, now I create rotation. So I create 3D and select this motion and press R, rotation, and Z rotation check. And guys, I go to like 5 seconds and take 1. Yeah, so go to here and press again F9 and play. Yes, see guys, that's my simple effect. So go to back and play. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so guys, same, apply on this effect, same. So guys, select, press U. So guys, go to here, position, press P, and position, go to down like this and press this animation key. So go to 5 seconds and position change like this. Go to up. Yeah, good, right? See. Okay, so guys, now I create rotation effect. So select this design and press R, rotation. So actually guys, again 3D and Z rotation check, and go to 5 seconds, 5. Yeah, and rotation I like 1. Yeah, and guys, select this keyframe and press F9. Yes, and go to back and play. Yes, see guys, that's beautiful, right? So select and press U. It's good. And guys, select this keyframe, select all like F9, easy in, and go to back and play. And fit to 100% check. Yes, so go to back and play. Yeah, see guys, that's beautiful effect, simple. So now guys, I go to effect and type echo. Select this echo and apply on motion design, this one, motion. And guys, I change echo time like minus 0.3. And guys, echo number I like 10 is good. Yeah, it's good. So simple. So guys, select this echo and copy, press Ctrl C and select and press Ctrl V. So go to back and play. Yeah, see guys, that's beautiful effect. I really like this effect. Okay, so guys, now I apply simple color, colorful color. So guys, type 4 gradient color and apply. And guys, same, apply on design 2. Yes, and also guys, I apply glow effect So apply glow, and guys, glow intensity I like increase, I like 10. Yeah, and same, apply glow and intensity same 10. Yeah, good. So guys, go to back and play. Yes, see guys, that's really good, right? Okay, so guys, my typography effect is finished. Now I create background effect. So unfold all, and guys, take new solid layer, and that's my BG. Yeah, and BG go to down and apply CC particle system 2. So select and apply on background. Yes, so guys, click on here like this. Guys, birth rate I like 0.5, and longitude I like 5 is good. Yeah, and producer, guys, increase radius I like 100 and 100. Yeah, and physics, guys, velocity I like 0.1 is good. Gravity I like 0. Yeah, and resistance I like simple 1. Yeah, and change this particle type. So particle type I use polygon. Yeah, it's good. And max opacity variant, guys, you can change anything like this, like 50 is good. Yeah, and bird size, guys, change I like this one, and depth is 0.5, guys, more 0.7 is good. Yeah, so guys, go to back and increase patch size and increase guys this one. Yeah, so go to back and play. Yes, beautiful. See guys, that's my particles. And now I apply glow effect. So guys, now click on here, and guys, go to here, effect and preset, and apply glow. Select this glow and apply on background. Yes, and guys, little bit increase radius I like 20 is good. Yeah, so go to back and play. Yes, see guys, that's beautiful effect, right? Okay, so now guys, click on 3D background layer, 3D, and select this background and increase scale size I like 150. Yeah, and next one I take camera, and camera check. Yes, and guys, I go to like 7 second, actually 8 second. So press C letter, and camera angle, guys, change like this. That's my really smooth effect. Guys, set your camera angle, is depend on your work, so closer. Yes, and guys, select this camera and position check. Guys, go to here, and camera little bit increase like this and up. Yeah, okay, so guys, I change little bit camera position. I go to like 6 second and select this keyframe, shift to 6 second. Yes, and guys, select this keyframe and press F9. Yeah, so go to back and play. Guys, it take little bit time for rendering preview. Yeah, see guys, that's my beautiful effect. It's really good, right? So stop this animation and go to back and play. See guys, that's my final one, right? Okay, so guys, that's it. That's my final effect is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.